Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to make money online without ever revealing your face? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're unveiling the top secrets to online income without showing a single selfie. Let's dive in. Number 1. Freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with clients globally, putting your skills to work and cash in your pocket. Number 2. E-commerce. Skip the storefront hassle and set up shop online with Shopify or Etsy. Sell your products to a worldwide audience and watch your profits soar. Number 3. Content creation. From blogging to podcasting, turn your passion into profit. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all without showing your face. Number 4. Stock photography. Capture the world's beauty and sell your photos on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Your lens does the work, no face necessary. So there you have it for foolproof ways to make money online, all without revealing your face. Ready to start? Hit subscribe for more tips on digital entrepreneurship, and let's turn your anonymity into prosperity. Happy earning!